In this video, we're going to be discussing enhancements made to in-transit in the in-transit ticket process when in Levridge 2025 R2. One enhancement that's been made is when we have an inbound in-transit ticket and we have the origin certificate on there, and if you just want to copy some of the information or all of it and create a destination ticket, we have added in an add button here. So you can add the certificate, and in that process you can say, I want to copy the weights or grades from the other end and make a duplicate of it and assign it to the ticket. And if this was on a already on a purchase contract, it would and you receive the in-transit ticket, then it would work that process and it would set it up and apply the destination ticket. So if you do not, one thing to note here, certificate number, you can enter in your own certificate number. If you leave it blank, it will just go out and get the next available number. So in this case here, I just want to copy both weights and grades. I click OK, and it goes out and it grabbed the next ticket number, created the destination, and it made an exact copy with the weight and the grades that were on that, so the origin and the destination match. Now, if you were just going to copy the grades, it would just keep the grades. It would leave the origin weight blank, and then you could enter in a different quantity. Another enhancement that's been added, you can activate under tickets on the setup. So in the commodity accounting parameters under setup and tickets, we've added a in-transit tickets, allow receive in-transit ticket. What this allows you to do is if you have tickets, all of these tickets here, I only have an origin weight on and grades. But if we want to just receive them in, we can put them on a contract. Let's look at that. If we apply these to a contract, let me see what Robert Lyers. There's our tickets. Let's grab a few of these and put onto a contract. Okay. Let's just create a contract quick. Now we have these tickets on a contract. And I'll select this here one that's not on a contract at this point. So now if we perform a receive in transit with that parameter marked, it's going to look to see if there's any tickets that do not have a destination. And it gives you a warning, and it's saying, it's asking if you want to continue. If you click yes, it will receive those tickets in. They're no longer in transit. And they've been received in, and they just are using the origin certificate, and you just move on. If you notice here, this here one was not on a contract, so it just left it as in transit status. And that is the enhancements made in Levridge 2025 R2.